So hi, welcome to this episode. Here we're going to handle the deletion of our administrators. So already we have a list of existing administrators. We can also edit them by clicking on their names or click on the edit button. So now let's handle their deletion. It is important, so we might need to remove them. So to do that, let's go back to the admin dashboard, admins page. So admins page, and look at the list of the admins. We have the delete link here. So like we did with the articles, we are going to have a dedicated page, so which is admin user. I will add that delete, and it will also get the admin's ID to handle the deletion. So we'll go ahead, we'll create this page. Since this page is going to look just like the page we used to create to delete articles, so we're going to use this same page here. So admin content delete, and then I'll do Ctrl+Shift+S, which is save this article as a new article, and I'll just change the name like this. So I'm changing this whole page into admins user delete, but I'm not overwriting the existing one, which is the deletion of the articles. So you see, it just created a new file which has the same content as the other one. So here we'll do the same process as we did earlier on. So we bring the session, the guard, then we check if the ID was submitted, and in this case we don't need this condition because we are not handling the mass deletion. So we just need to see if the user ID exists. If it does not exist, then we can return the user. You can display this error message to the user and allow them to go back to the dashboard. So get only array values. We don't need all this. So article ID is going to be set article ID, get it, otherwise we get no. But yes, so we get no. So here it means we can get rid of all this. Then we get article ID, but it's not article ID, admin ID. So instead of article ID here, we'll say admin ID. Errors, we bring the errors. So there's no need because we are not going to handle the errors displays. We just delete or we don't delete. So we can now include our database statement. We can now include our database statement, database connection. So if not is no, the database connection, and then is array, not is array. So this is the statement we need. If it is array, this is what we do. We don't do that again. So we just remove these conditions. So we prepare the statement, prepare delete from admins, where ID is the article ID, but this time around is the admin's ID. We're going to delete. So deleted, if deleted, then admin successfully deleted. So here we display the error straight, but instead of just displaying this error like we did with the articles, I would like to redirect the user back on this page. So when the user comes back, basically it will be like the admins with deleted just vanished. So to do that, I'll clear this. So if admin deleted header, and then we want to handle the location, we change the location to admin, right? Admin. So this page basically, so copy it and paste it here. So if the deletion goes successfully, we should be returned to the list of administrators. Otherwise, we actually display an error. So let's give it a try and see how it goes. I'll refresh, then I'll click on delete. So here to remember, we might need to add the warning. So when you are going to delete, we should have this warning. Remember, we have that on the admin use the content. So where we have the content here, I think I have on click. So we search that on click, we pick it up. That's the warning we want to have here. So I'll go ahead and paste it here. except there's a problem. So return, so that's on click. I didn't take the, so on click return, so no need to provide that, a single quote. Great, single quote. So we would like to be able to warn the user from taking that action, so we don't close the link, we continue. Yes, so we refresh, click on the testing user. Something is wrong here. So if you go admin user delete, I think I placed it at the wrong place. Yes, that's the, so a on click return, confirm, href, and so on. Let me be sure of what I'm doing. Am I working at the right place? Okay, that's the right place. So why is it not working? Delete. Good. So I think it wasn't refreshed. Are you sure? No. So it stops. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. And then it goes. So you see that the user actually vanishes, and it looks like they just disappeared. So, but if there's any error, in that case we'll be stuck on the blank page telling us whatever error occurred. So this brings us to the end of the main work to be done on this project. This is wonderful so far. You've been great if you reach at this point. I think if you haven't subscribed to the channel at this point, I think this is the time to do so, to support us. So the remaining tasks we have are to handle the paginations all over the place, and also the sign out page. So that is the next thing we're going to handle. Let's handle the pagination in the next episode, and then end up with sign out. So see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching this one.